Hello, welcome back. It is Sunday, July 2nd, and we got rain. Thank goodness. We haven't had rain in, I don't know, maybe 10 days, eh, hon? Something like that. Anyway, about an hour and a half ago, they said we wouldn't be getting anything till tomorrow night. And now, the storm's here. So you can never tell here what kind of weather we're going to get. They changed the app, the weather app, 15 minutes before it's going to storm. And it's like, yep, we're going to get a storm. So, got some lightning, got some rain, and I just spent 7 hours watering all the trees in the garden because they said we wouldn't really have any rain. So, but it is a beautiful night. Thank you for the rain. Yay! Most of the rain's coming from Lethbridge, and we had some lightning and stuff, but super duper happy. Let's go check out the back. Got all the lights off so we can watch the storm come through. Gonna make some shepherd's pie. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't really see now. That's blurry. Anyway, skies are dark there. So we'll get a little bit of rain. Just enough to water the trees in the perimeter that I didn't water today, but the garden, the poor raspberries. Is it hail?
Yep.
Oh, watch out.
See it on the seat.
Oh, watch out, Bob. Oh, we got hail.
See it on the seat? It's on
Joe.
Bob's back.
Oh no, we
That's
got
not good.
hail.
The garden's done.
Don't. Oh no! Hit the truck. Oh. Lightning. Whoa, whoa! Oh, this is totally unexpected. I don't know where this weather comes from all of a sudden. They're not calling for any of this kind of weather. Yeah, we got hail.
See it on Bob's back.
Look at Bob. Bob thinks it's snowing. Bob, is it snowing? That's that little bit of stuff we got delivered for our porch that we're going to make this week. Holy trouble. Hey, Bob. We got hail. This is our first hail, Aaron. Is it rain now or hail? Bob, what's out?
Seems like rain now.
Now it's rain.
Unless it's just coming out here.
Ooh, yeah. Just a little sprinkling of hail and a good dose of rain.
Yeah, hope it doesn't kill your plant.
No, it's not big enough hail to kill the plants. Albeit, maybe my little carrot sprouts that are starting to come up, and my, well, more lightning, and squash and that, but we'll see tomorrow. This is so great, though. We really needed rain. Spent a lot of time. The poor raspberries were just crispy, so I soaked them, and now they're going to get a double soaking. What are you doing? You're pushing here, eh? Huh? The front porch is getting wet. Oh, this is fantastic. July 2nd. Looks like the storm's coming up from, or coming down from Lethbridge area. Alright, well, we're gonna just hang here and enjoy this beautiful rain. And a little sprinkling of hail. Bye for now.